If you've been researching how to import cars from America to Nigeria, you've probably seen two names come up repeatedly: Copart and IAAI. Both are US salvage and used car auction platforms. Both have millions of listings. Both ship internationally. And every week someone asks me, which one should I use? The honest answer is it depends, but the more useful answer is here's exactly how they're different and which one fits which type of buyer. Let me start with what they have in common. Both Copart and IAAI, insurance auto auctions, source their inventory primarily from insurance companies. When a car is in an accident and the insurance company decides the repair cost is too high relative to the car's value, they declare it a total loss and sell it at auction. That's where Copart and IAAI come in. The car goes on the platform. Buyers from around the world bid on it. Highest bid wins. Both platforms are legitimate. Both are publicly traded companies. Both have paper trail processes. Now here's where they differ. Inventory size. Copart is larger significantly. They have more locations across more US states, which means more inventory and more variety. If you're looking for a specific model, year, and trim level, you're more likely to find it on Copart. Buyer fees. This is where it gets interesting. Both platforms charge buyer premiums, fees on top of your winning bid. The exact structure changes based on your membership level and the car's price. But historically, IAAI's fee structure has been slightly lower for certain price ranges. Not dramatically, but in a business where every naira counts, slightly lower fees matter. Membership and access. Copart has a public member option that, once you know the right registration path, allows Nigerian buyers to bid without a dealer license. IAAI also allows international buyers, but the access pathway is slightly different. Third-party platforms sit on top of both. Services that let you bid through their interface for an additional fee. Photo quality and listing detail. Copart generally provides more photos per listing and more detailed damage descriptions. This matters enormously when you're buying from Nigeria and you cannot physically inspect the car. More photos means better damage assessment. Better damage assessment means fewer expensive surprises when the car lands in Lagos. So, which platform do I personally use? Copart, primarily. Not because IAAI is bad. I've used IAAI and found good cars there. But because Copart's inventory depth and photo quality give me more information to work with before I bid. And in this business, information is the only thing standing between a profitable import and a 900,000 naira loss. I know because I've had both. Here's my actual recommendation for Nigerian importers. Start with Copart. Learn the platform. Understand how the damage descriptions work, how the bidding system works, how the fee structure applies to your price range. Get comfortable. Once you've done 2 or 3 imports successfully and you have a feel for the process, explore IAAI for specific cars that Copart doesn't have or where IAAI is pricing lower. Using both platforms intelligently, knowing when to use which, is how experienced importers maximize their margins. The guide focuses primarily on Copart because that's where most Nigerian importers should start. But Module 2 covers IAAI access and the key differences in their fee structures, so you can make an informed comparison on any given car. Let me give you one practical example of how this plays out. Say you're looking for a 2018 Toyota Highlander. You search Copart. You find 3 listings. Prices range from $7,500 to $9,200. Damage types vary. One is flood, one is front end, one is minor dents. You search IAAI. You find 2 listings. Prices are $7,800 and $8,600. Damage is similar to the Copart options. Now, you're not just comparing platforms, you're comparing specific cars. You run each one through the landed cost calculator, plug in the bid, shipping estimate, customs calculation, Repair cost estimate. The calculator shows you which specific car, across both platforms, gives you the best margin after all costs. Maybe it's the Copart car, maybe it's the IAAI car. The platform doesn't matter, the math does. This is what separates importers who consistently make 3 to 6 million naira per car from importers who break even or lose money. Not platform loyalty, not gut feeling, not WhatsApp group tips. A system that calculates the real numbers before you commit a single naira. The DIY Import Bible gives you that system. 35,000 naira. The calculator, the damage filter, the black book, the Telegram group, all of it. The link is in the description. Price jumps to 75,000 naira after 500 buyers.